This is a story about a little boy named Tom.
Good night, Teddy Bear.
Tom is sleeping quietly in his bed. Outside, the weather is changing very fast.
What is that sound?
Suddenly, lightning flashes across the sky.
Thunder! It's so loud.
Tom sits up in his bed. His heart is beating fast. Tom walks to the door.
Mom.
The door does not open.
Open! Please open! Oh no!
The
door
lights
is stuck.
suddenly go out.
The power is off. It's so dark. I feel scared and alone.
Shadows appear on the walls.
Toys look strange. No monster, no monster.
Tom looks around his room. Tom's mom hears the thunder and the noise.
I should check on Tom. He doesn't like thunder and lightning. Tom, are you okay? I hear you crying.
Don't be scared, my dear mommy is here.
Monster under my bed.
Come here, Tom. There are no real monsters. Sometimes our imagination plays tricks on us. Let's look together under the bed.
They look under the bed.
See? No monster, just toys and a shirt.
Oh, that's my shirt.
You see? Nothing scary. Let's play a little game.
Look, Tom. See this spider shadow?
It looks funny now, doesn't it?
Yes. It's cute. You are very brave. Just like that spider.
I'm not
The
scared
thunder
anymore.
slowly fades away.
Look, the power is back.
Yay!
Here, Tom. This is for you. You can use it whenever you feel scared.
Wow, I can use it to chase away scary shadows. Look, Mom! I have the power of light now.
That's right. Okay, playtime is over. It's time to sleep.
Hey, Mom.
Stay warm and keep your blanket on.
Good night, my love.
Good night, Mom.
Sleep tight. Tom closes his eyes. The rain has stopped. The night is calm and peaceful again. Be brave like Tom. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.